Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how you the updated 2025 method to change your TikTok region, country, or location. First, open the TikTok app. Go to your profile in the bottom right corner. Tap the three bars at the top, then select Settings and Privacy. From there, go into Privacy, then choose Location Services. Set this option to Never. Make sure it says Never so TikTok can't track your location. Next, tap Open Settings and go to Permissions. Select Location and set it to Don't Allow. Once that's done, go back into TikTok. Scroll down to Delete certain location data and tap Delete. Now, go into your phone settings app, find the region option, and select the country or region you want to switch to. After changing it, simply restart your phone. That's it. When you open TikTok again, your region will be updated to the one you selected. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video. For more social media tips, subscribe the channel and press the notification button as well. Thanks for watching.